in this video, I would like to tell you about history of Benteng Pendem Cilacap. For the first, do you know about Cilacap? I think a lot of people know about the Cilacap city, especially Nusa Kambangan Island, because Nusa Kambangan Island is the icon of Cilacap city. Do you know that Cilacap have a historical building? Yup, Benteng Pendem Cilacap. Benteng Pendem Cilacap is the most famous tourist destination in Cilacap and also historical building in Cilacap. And are you curious about the story behind this historical building? And let me tell you in this video.
Benteng Pendem is located near Teluk Penyu Beach at Cilacap, Central Java. Benteng Pendem Cilacap, which has the real name Kasta Bridge of the London and Cilacap, a fort building jutting out the sea in Cilacap, is no different from a Dutch heritage fort in general. It is discovered after being submerged underground. Benteng Pendem Cilacap is evidence of the Dutch colonial presence. According to the local guide named Dennis Sutrisno, the fort was built by the Dutch when they first come to Indonesia in 1861. But the fortress disappeared and no one was aware of its physical trace or document. And then, Pertamina plans to open the silence of the fortress. And then, Pertamina want to dig for oil, then a fort was found. Because it was found at underground, so the name was Pendem, and also Benteng Pendem Cilacap. According to the Babat Banyumas, in the early 19th century, Sunan of Surakarta Pakubuwono IV first constructed a fortress in the Cilacap area. The Central Javan branch of the cultural property suggests that over this fort, Benteng Pendem may have been built. This building was built in the stage over 18 years, which was built from 1861 to 1879, with an area 6 hectares. Another fortification from this period can be found in the Karangbolong, Nusa Kambangan, Cilacap. The fortress began operation in 1879. The function of this fort is to withstand enemy attack. At the time, the port of Cilacap was an important one of the transportation of goods from Yogyakarta and Purworejo. The fortress began operation in 1879 and held numerous prisoners, both civilian and military. And here are 14 rooms that functioned as barrack in the fort. Among them, there was a barrack that were used a place to the last of the Dutch soldiers. So, the room was called the most haunted. Not only that, the fate of the corpse worker was no less grim. The majority died in the prison, or they were killed after they were no longer productive. It seems that the fort was not only for defense of the Dutch troops, the fort was built by indigenous corpse workers. Not only that, there were also women who were often used as sex slaves in the army barrack within the fortress. During the Dutch colonialism, many Indonesian women became slaves to their patients. Because they were not strong, they committed suicide. The story even more sad. When the war against Japanese troops, this fort was successfully controlled by the Japanese. And now, Benteng Pendem has become a cultural heritage building as well as a historical tourist attraction.
I think that's all from me, and thank you for watching my videos. See you guys!